Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. You know, it's easy to be lethal learning from the news. It's a project for the blues. How often have you watched the news and come away thinking, that was good, I feel good, it was great what they taught me or what they're talking about? You know, not very often. And I'm only asking you this because oftentimes the news is all about what's wrong, problems. It's looking at the problems in the world and expanding on them. And so I don't watch it. That's just my process. But you have to think about it, because if your mind is an information center, it's like it is a supercomputer, and you can put any bit of information that you want into it, but it's going to process that information and it's going to produce some results in your life. Then you really need to realize what you're watching. And even beyond the news, any television, you know, if you look at movies and TV and dramas, you know, any series, they all have the same ideas. They have all the same information. Yeah, it's all the same setup. So it's things like who's the villain? What's the problem? It's always the same scenario. And so you don't learn from it. You don't grow from it. I mean, other than you see somebody going through a problem in their life or in their scenario, and then you might say, well, I can reflect on that and learn from it and grow from it. But other than that, it's useless information. And we have so much power here in our mind. We can manifest things. We can imagine things and visualize them and create them. I mean, that's what's happening in the world around us. You know, things are being created like, well, it seems like crazy right now. People are inventing ideas and things are coming out. Really innovative ideas. It's really an innovative time. But if we're glued to media or television or a phone or an iPad or something like that, and we're watching what's going on around the world, that's limiting. That's just, bits of information that's not going to give us any advantage in our lives, and it's not going to help us to be a better version of ourselves. So the key here is, are you paying attention to the kinds of things that are going to create the life that you want? Are you asking for the things you want? I had a conversation recently where, you can ask for the things you want. I mean, if you don't believe in prayer, then this won't work for you. But if you believe in prayer, then ask for the things you want. Just say, I want, a great life. I want to feel good. I want to feel healthy. I want to feel strong. I want to feel good about myself. Ask for the things you want. Focus on what you want. Because guess what? No matter what, you're going to get what you're thinking about. No matter what. That's the way it is. So we need to think better. We need to think about what we're thinking about. Focus on what we want. We can't say I want to feel healthy and then go to the donut shop every few days. That doesn't work. We need to focus on what we want. And if media, television, and news is not going to support you in what you want, shut it off, please. It's useless information. It does not support you in any way at all. I can't see it. It just doesn't work. So think about it. What are you investing in? What are you investing your thoughts in? What are you putting your time and attention into? What are you focusing on? Are you asking for what you want? Are you praying for what you want? Ask for it. Think about it. And then you'll get it. And then you will look back and say, wow, I can get what I want. I am worthy. I am deserving. This is a good life. All right. So hopefully this was valuable. If it was, leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing. And as always, if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, be sure to check it out, because I have other videos that will help you become a better version of yourself. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.